We are pleased to show you the 2017 Cadillac XT5. The Cadillac XT5 was crafted to adapt to your needs while expressing your distinctive sense of style. Visually striking and intelligently designed, this crossover outsmarts any task with progressive technology and an accommodating interior, and is priced below $20,000. This vehicle has less than 120,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power windows with safety reverse, electronic parking brake, remote engine start, traction control, stability control, power brakes, braking assist, airbags, driver, knee, heated steering wheel, electronic messaging assistance with read function. If affordable style and reliability are what you're looking for, this vehicle couldn't be more perfect. Drive it today.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.